Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to get the What Are You Gonna Dance filter for TikTok. Really easy and simple to do. So first things first, you guys need to head over to Instagram to get the filter first. So you're just going to go over to Instagram and head over to the search, and you just want to search for an account called _Romain_LaRue. You want to click on their account and click on the filters, and then you see the filter right here. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the filter, and then you're going to click on try it. And then once you're on there, you just have to create a quick video. So we'll create a quick video here. All right. So once your video is done, you just want to click on the download button right beside the X at the top of the page and just save that to your camera roll. Once it's saved, you guys can exit the application and head over to TikTok. And once you're on here, you can click on the plus. And then you can click on the upload to grab the upload that you made. Click on the upload and then next. Then next. And then you can just post it just like this, and then you'll have the filter on your TikTok account. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.